The unboxing experience sets the tone for what Saccater Luna aims to be, a complete, modular system rather than a single-purpose accessory. Inside the compact package, everything is neatly organized and immediately communicates flexibility and intent. From the glow-in-the-dark, high-fidelity earplugs to the generous selection of interchangeable ear tips, the magnetic safety cord, the additional silicone sleep plugs, and the newly redesigned carry case. The upgraded case, fitted with a durable paracord and a transparent lid, feels particularly well thought out, addressing real-world usage scenarios such as quick attachment to a bag and passive glow charging even when stored. From the first interaction, it is clear that Luna was shaped by practical feedback rather than abstract design goals. Saccater Luna stands out as a mature, well-considered approach to hearing protection, one that respects both the physics of sound and the realities of modern lifestyles. The combination of high-fidelity noise reduction, modular fit options, practical glow visibility, and thoughtful accessories elevates Luna beyond basic earplugs into a versatile, personal audio safety system. Rather than simply blocking sound, Luna refines it, preserving the emotional and musical content while removing the elements that cause long-term damage. For music lovers, nightlife enthusiasts, commuters, and anyone who regularly navigates loud environments but refuses to sacrifice sound quality, Luna represents a compelling balance between protection and experience, and a clear step forward in how hearing protection should be designed in 2026.